prevailing wind are the tropical region thus in vicinity.
Hello, I'm going to discuss you about the effect on prevailing winds on climate. So what is prevailing wind? Prevailing winds are winds that move toward a given direction. For example, on some day, the air breeze moves from one direction only, and some other day, it moves from another direction. If air movement generally comes from a specific direction, then it is considered prevailing wind. Different regions on Earth experience different prevailing winds, depending on heating rates of the ocean and continents, like land masses, location, and topography. Wind movement, warm versus cold air. Warm air is lighter than cold air, and the air pressure above it is low. On the other hand, cold air is denser and exerts more pressure to give a high pressure area. The high pressure area that is made up of cold, dense air moves in the direction toward the low pressure area, where warm, light air is present, forming convection currents.
The mystery of dark matter. If you look at the night sky, you'll often see stars moving very quickly. In fact, they move much more quickly than they should according to their science and their physics. Much of the universe is made up of 90% called the dark matter. How much something weighs depends on where it is. The same object weighs only half as much as Mars on it does on Earth, and almost 3 times as much as Jupiter. Recently, Dr. George Penamurma and a team of Edinburgh University discovered something interesting. The mass of the Milky Way is only half as much as the Jupiter, another nearby galaxy called the Andromeda. We can see dark matter. It's very difficult to measure, and we can find out its mass. Unlike stars, dark matter doesn't produce or reflect light. There may also 5 times as much as dark matter in the universe as ordinary matter. Today, technology such as a large hadron collider is collecting more and more information. But this technology cannot tell us everything. Investigating the dark matter may even mean we will need to start asking questions about the way we look at the universe, including the ideas of Albert Einstein.
The Sun's atmosphere. We all know that the Sun is the most important member in the solar system. It is one of the most important sources of energy here on Earth. The Sun plays a major role in the solar system because it provides the energy that is essential to all living organisms. Compared to the other stars in the other galaxies, the Sun has the modest size in color yellow and has surface temperature ranging from 500 degrees Celsius to 6,000 degrees Celsius. It is made up of approximately around 5 gaseous elements, which provides the Sun a glowing sphere of gases. The Sun's atmosphere consists of 3 layers. The first layer is the photosphere. Photosphere is the outer part of the Sun's atmosphere. It is about 500 kilometers thick and forms the lowest layer of the Sun's atmosphere. Hence, the photosphere is the only portion of the Sun's atmosphere that is visibly seen. Next layer is the chromosphere. It extends to about 5,000 kilometers in height and about 2,000 kilometers in thickness. Unlike the photosphere, the chromosphere gives a red-colored glow, which is due to the burning of superheated hydrogen gas. However, this red light can only be seen during total solar eclipse. Next layer is the corona. In the outermost part of the Sun, about 10,000 kilometers above the photosphere is the corona, which envelopes about the bright white light during the occurrence of a total solar eclipse. With this extreme temperature, which is 1 million degrees Celsius up to 2 million degrees Celsius, the corona appears as white light made up of ionized gas. So all in all, the sun's atmosphere is extremely wide, and the sun's energy comes from burning hydrogen and nuclear fusion. That's all. Thank you.